everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beth Carrera, the crazy cat lady, and we are here to do another Vlogoween. Yes, you heard me right, another Vlogoween. So I'm going to be making these cute Rice Krispies Ghost Pops. And it comes everything in there. It comes the Rice Krispies, the mini marshmallows, vanilla frosting. We just have to mix a few things up first. So let's get on into it, shall we? Now, I even have the frosting part too. So I have it all pre-measured. So they say, we got the mold. So let's see what we got in here first. Let's get the ingredients out first. Okay. So we have the mold. You only get 2. What? All right. We got mini marshmallows. We got the sticks. The Rice Krispies. And believe it or not, this is the first time I'm ever making Rice Krispie treats like by hand. I usually just buy them. This is the frosting mix, which will go with this and with that too. And the pipe bag. Okay, got it. The pipe bag with some, actually I don't even need the pipe bag. I'm just going to use it out of here. I don't even know why I need all this. Oh, for the vanilla frosting. Gotcha. Alright. So, first thing is first, it says heat in a large saucepan over low heat. Melt butter and add mini marshmallows. Heat, stirring occasionally until marshmallows are completely melted. Add the Rice Krispies. Add the Rice Krispies and stir well to coat. Remove from the heat and transfer to a large bowl. Mixture will be warm. Allow it to stand for about a minute to take the shape, the shaping easier. So basically, I'm going to do the mixture. It's just this. So I'll be right back when I get the mixture all set for you. And I'm sorry. And 2 tablespoons of butter I got to use for this. So I'm just going to take a knife and cut 2. Basically, 1. So I will do about this. This looks good. To put into the saucepan. So while I do that, I'll come back with it all made and we can start mixing it up together, okay? So be right back. Okay, we got the marshmallows in here with the butter, and so I put the butter and I melted it because it takes a little bit. So it says stir occasionally, so I'm stirring occasionally, so that's where I'm at right now. And then I'll be adding the Rice Krispies to it. So I'm just going to wait till that melts more. And then I'm going to put the Rice Krispies in there. And my kitty is trying to get up on, wants to know what's going on my little display here. And so, look at her. So right now that's where I'm at. And then when I'm ready to put the Rice Krispies in, I will put them in and we'll do it together, okay? Now we're adding in the Rice Krispies, which I'm dumping all over. And then we're going to have them take shape. And I'm making a mess all over the place. So that's what's going on right now. And then I am going to make, mix it together and have it take shape. And so this will be for the mixing it together, and it says allow it to stand for 1 minute. So that's what we'll do. I'm just mixing it up for right now. Okay, so let that stand for 1 minute, and then coat the hands with the cooking spray. I don't know what that means, but coat your hands with cooking spray, and then you work it in. So I'm just gonna let this sit for a minute. Like I said. All right, so I let it stand for a few minutes. So you just scoop a small amount of Rice Krispie mixture from the bowl, press into the ghost mode. So let's do a small spoonful. Might be still a little too warm. I don't know. So let's see. Oh, might be a little. All right. I want to hold on to this so bad, and I don't know why. It's like, so that's pretty easy, making your own Rice Krispie treats. Cool. I never made them. I heard that it's pretty easy, but I never really, took time to actually make them. Still, I think this might be a little too warm. Let's see, a little bit more to press into this side. Okay. So it says, okay, press firm, fill up the cavity, flip the treats out onto the counter, and repeat with the remaining. Oh, so you don't even have to have it cooling or nothing. Okay, look at how cute. See, this is what I got. All right. Okay, so this is only, yeah, okay, all right, all right. Oh, I don't know. You say just flip them on out. Okay. Oh, okay. Got it. I got it. Maybe I should have put more on this. Ooh, interesting. This is fun. They do have ones with pumpkins. Now my cat has to look at. So I'm just going to have that, take shape. This is cool. It's a lot of fun. So I'm just gonna keep, sorry about Shelby is in the way. Shelby, stop. Okay. Get out of the way, Shelby. So this one I'm gonna push down harder, so maybe it'll be easier to come out. And Shelby, get out of the way. This is so fun. It's like, feels like I'm playing with putty, like slime, or basically just use your hands. And then, so now the next thing is to make the frosting. So slowly add milk and beat the icing on 1 minute until, I'm not doing the beater thing. So I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this in there, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave to melt, and then mix the frosting. So we'll do that. Ooh, my hubby got in my favorite dessert. Yeehaw! This, and put it in the microwave really quickly. Alright. 20 seconds. We'll see how that works. And then I'll just mix it with a spoon. That's all I'm gonna do. And put this frosting mix in there too. It's a special little mix apparently. So it is melted. Ooh, make it a little easier to melt. So this is supposed to be, oh, I gotta do milk. Some milk. Let me go get some milk. So a little bit of milk. You're supposed to be using actually a mixer with this, but I'm not gonna do that. So we're actually going to, we'll put this in the piping bag. And what I usually do is always had the insert, but that's okay. We'll do it just this. I'm not frosting a lot. All right. All right, that should be good enough. Pull this up. I'm gonna press that down a little bit, and then I'm gonna clip it. Right there. So now you want to take a little bit big into don't have to be perfect, just do whatever you want. A little bit too thick, but that's okay, still gonna taste good. Okay, that's good enough. Next order of business is this. Oops. And you put your eyes. Or whatever you want to do. I think it's like buttercream or something. So you design what you like. I'm just going to save this because this is cool. And I'll show you what the finished product is because I don't have two cameras to get two angles going. So I'm assuming you just put this in here. Okay. Okay, that's a pain. I'll give you a general idea of what it looks like. Is the pop. Ghost pop. So that is the general idea, is to make a ghost pop. So that is really, really good. Noah, you want to take a bite? Here. Well, that's a pain. Just eat it like that. I just put it on there, but honestly, I just eat it. So that is it. Look at how adorable these came out. Really, really cute. And let me give you a closer look. And let's give you a closer look on how these look. Look at how adorable. My artistic skills are not the greatest, but those are good. They're gonna be popping in my mouth anyways. And thank you all so much for being here doing this Vlogoween with me tonight. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and hit that like button. Please hit the like button. All right, I love you all, and